Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today, the self-proclaimed queen of bokeh is back. This is quite a challenge. Most of the time, these bokeh cityscapes requires a little bit of thinking to orchestrate the whole landscape that's made out of lights to replace the original objects. It's a lot more than just random colorful circles. Perhaps the last diptych painting came too easy, and because I love to torture myself only to regret it halfway, I have decided to embark on this piece. And speaking of which, by the time this video is up, I've already took on another passion project which I'm currently regretting halfway. But I do love bokeh paintings and pictures. Making the painter's and viewer's imagination work is one aspect of blurry scenes that captivates me. Mysterious pictures are fascinating to many observers. Blur is one way of creating mystery. However, that doesn't explain it all, and the psychology of vision is probably better suited to come to my rescue. Our eye has high resolution over a very small patch of the retina, and the rest is set up for fast, low-resolution pattern recognition. We were programmed the hard way to survive saber-toothed tiger attacks by detecting movements in our peripheral vision very quickly. Had the resolution been high everywhere in our eyes, the brain would have been much slower to respond, like computers faced with large files. Instead, our peripheral vision has super low res but is hardwired to recognize patterns such as straight lines and some curves. The brain does very little work to identify a line in the corner of a scene, which leaves a lot to imagination and feeling. For me, blurry paintings are my depiction of the scene landscape, which is simply a vehicle through which I navigate territory of another nature. A landscape less ordinary, where the line between the physical and the spiritual realm has seemingly been removed. The bokeh imitation will feel gimmicky to some. I prefer to think of this image as a dream or memory, where people and nature almost turn into arched heights. The blur simplifies the scene and lets emotions overthrow the mental king inside our brain. The viewers then can take control of this image and project names, faces, and more onto the various persons and elements of this scene. In a way, the painting acts as an evocative canvas for me to create a personal story from. Today's painting is about my love for the night city and the secrets it holds of all the night owls that roams the streets. I hope you like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Happiness is a butterfly. Every day is a lullaby. Every day is a lullaby. Try to catch it like lightning. Sing it into my music. Happiness is a butterfly. Every day is a lullaby. Baby, I just wanna haze with you. Baby, I just wanna haze with you.
How did you get so many?
I called everywhere in 5 states. I told them it was the only way to get my wife to marry me.
You don't even know me.
I have the rest of my life to find out.
Happiness is a butterfly. every day.